everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing, of course, but we are going to be doing a Ipsy Glam Plus versus an Ipsy mystery box. And there's also a surprise towards the end, so keep watching. Let's go ahead and just dive right into the Ipsy Glam Plus. Now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, they have 2 subscriptions now. I think they're going to be adding a third, but I'm not completely sure about that. I will, if I know more details when I upload this, I'll put it below. But they have the Ipsy Glam bag, and I believe that's $12. I'll look it up. I don't get that bag, but you get like deluxe sample sizes. And then there's the Ipsy Glam Plus, which I will be unboxing, which is $25 a month. And you get 5 full-size products on that. And you get to choose 3 of the 5 full-size products. For this month, November, I was not thrilled with the choices that we were given. It kind of felt like I only had lip product options for all my choices. So I wasn't thrilled with that, but let's go ahead and look into the Ipsy Glam Plus bag and see what we have in there for this month. It came in one of their pink bubble mailers, like it usually does, and then inside that is this bag. It's an okay bag, not one of my favorites, not one of the worst, but you know, it's their drawstring bag. So because I am filming with my phone, I can't tell you what each product retails for, because the card that they give you doesn't have the product information on it. So the card that they send just has basically the theme, and actually on the back here, let's see, they give you some of the information. But it's not really what's in your bag. So this is Be Present is the theme for November. Be Present. And let's open up. First thing I'm gonna pull out is Tula Skincare. I feel amazing. Cooling and brightening hydrogel eye masks. Okay, so this is the first item. It comes with 4 pairs of eye masks. I've never tried this brand. I don't mind eye masks. I like the face sheet masks and the eye masks, so I'll give this a try and see what I think of it. I'll let you know what I think of it. Next thing in here is, let me take that out because that's not going to be part of. Those are extras that I'll talk about in a minute. Next thing in here is, and I believe this may have been one of my choices. I'm not sure. I don't remember which were my choices and which were the ones that they gave me. But this is Fruit Butter Lip Mask. Fruit Butter Lip Mask. I don't know if you can see it well with that light there, but and I believe this is just a lip mask that you put on before bedtime. I actually don't have any lip masks at the moment, and this is, you know what, I'm not going to bother opening it because it's sealed on there and it's going to take me a bit to get that off. But there's that lip mask. Next thing in here, which I'm actually kind of excited about, is this Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. Okay, so I do have a couple like night serums. I believe I have one from Milk. But I don't have a night cream, so this will be interesting to try. It comes in a container that looks like this. And looks like it's a, let's see, like it's a pump? I'm not quite sure. Anyway, I'll have to figure out how to use that. So yeah, it just screws on. So I have that night cream. And again, I will be posting prices in the video when I do the editing. Next item we have is this Trestique Eye It's a mascara combo eyelash curler. So I have not used, I don't think I've used a Trace mascara. I haven't necessarily heard great things about this particular product. Again, I haven't used it, and what I have heard from other people is, and you can kind of see, that the curler part is not very big, so you can't really curl your entire lash at once. You have to do it in parts. So I don't have an eyelash curler, but I do wear mascara, so I may try this just to see what it's like. But I'm not familiar with the product as of yet. So again, this is Trace mascara and eyelash curler. And I think the last thing we've got in this looks like a eyeshadow palette, and this is from Dominique Cosmetics. Dominique Cosmetics. I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow just because I'm blind and can't apply it very well. I'm lucky that I'm able to get the mascara and the brow products on. But here's this. And the inside has a nice little long mirror. And these are the colors. I don't know how well you can see them. I am not going to swatch them because I've got too many eyeshadow palettes as it is right now that I don't use. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in a future giveaway. Again, keep watching till the end of the video. So this will go in a future giveaway. And that is the Ipsy Glam Plus bag for November. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. With Ipsy Glam Plus, you can do add-ons like you can with other companies. So I did pick a couple add-ons. One of the add-ons I picked was this banana souffle moisture cream from Glow Recipes. And it doesn't smell like banana, but it's the cream. The light's a little bright. Let's turn it down slightly. There. It's a little bit better. There you go. So there's that. This may have been like a $3 product, I'm not sure. And then the other thing I got was this, this is Perlice, I believe. Is it Perlice? Oh no, Pure Heels? Pure Heels. Pure Heels, gosh, I told you I'm blind. And I can't read it through the thing. Anyway, it's a toner, so I will be putting it up. I'll put the retail price up there. But I've never really used a toner, so this will be interesting for me to try. So that does it for Ipsy Glam Plus. Now, the versus part, the competition. I ordered a Ipsy mystery box. So I had the Ipsy Glam Plus for a few days. I've just been waiting for the mystery box to come so that I could shoot the comparison video between the Ipsy Glam Plus, where you get to choose 3 of your products, compared to the Ipsy Mystery, where you don't get to choose anything, you don't know what you're getting. So let's go ahead and take a little peek into the box. This is what the inside is. Just a little peek like that. So again, I don't know what's in here. I will put retail costs up in the video during editing. First thing I'm pulling out is Be Beautiful, Be You from Farrah, and it's a brush set. So again, I have lots of brushes right now that I don't use a lot, so I'm not even going to open this. It's going to go into a giveaway. Next thing I'm pulling out, this is Perlice. Perlice Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer. Okay, I do like Perlice. I have a couple products from them. So I don't mind getting skincare products. In the beginning, I was much more wanting cosmetics, but then found that I don't use a lot of cosmetics, so I'm much more into the skincare now. It does have the safety seal, which is good. Let's see what this feels like. Oh, it has a nice scent. It's a little florally, but not too bad. I'm not a big fan of floral scents, so this is okay. This doesn't like make me want to gag or anything. So, which did happen. I did order another add-on with the Ipsy Glam Plus that I already gave away to somebody because it smelled so strong. It was a shampoo and conditioner set, but it smelled so strong of floral that I couldn't even, I couldn't. So anyway, this is nice. I like the scent. It's got a kind of a fresh florally scent. Then we have this Liquid Lash Extension Mascara, length and volume from Thrive Cosmetics, and cosmetics is spelled Causemetics. So I don't know anything about this company. This is what the box looks like, and then this is what it looks like inside. It's a very sturdy, heavy mascara. So, all right, well, I will give this a try. I do use mascara, and I don't know really much about this, so I'm happy to get this and try it out. So anyway, there's Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Next we have, this is Gold Faden MD Doctor's Scrub. So I'm not quite sure what this is. I will have to look it up. It's some kind of scrub, I'm assuming like a exfoliator of some type. I don't know much about this brand again, so it was always good to have. Skincare is always good. So I'm happy about this. I will give it a try. We've got one more item in here, and it's another eyeshadow palette. This is from Laura Sanchez. It's called Moods. Okay, and it's got on the back, I'm not familiar with this product at all, but it's a fun looking palette. And let's see, oh, okay. It's got a nice mirror when you open it up. And then it looks like it also has like a highlighter maybe. It's interesting colors, but this is what the inside looks like. So it comes with the brush. It has your eyeshadow palettes, and then looks like a shimmer, maybe a shimmer contour, I don't know. Does it say on the back? Maybe it says on the back of this. Anyway, I will put it in the description, or the description below if I can figure it out. It's a fun looking palette. Again, even though it's fun looking, I've got so many palettes. I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to this, so I won't swatch it just in case I put it in a future giveaway. But it's not a bad palette, so let's go ahead and look at what we got with the Ipsy mystery box. This was the eyeshadow palette, Moods from Laura Sanchez. We have the Doctor's Scrub from Gold Faden MD. We have the mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. We have the Perlice Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer. And we have the brush set from Farrah. Not bad. I've done one other Ipsy Glam Plus versus Ipsy Mystery before, and I believe in that video that I liked the mystery box better. And I think I'm gonna have to concur in this video as well that I think I like the mystery bag a lot better, where I wasn't given any choices and they just gave me what comes in the bag. I don't know, what are your opinions? What do you think? Let me know below in the comments. Now, just so we don't make this video go on forever, I did mention there may be a surprise at the end. I am having my second giveaway. So I did a giveaway in October, and I'm going to do another giveaway for this month of November. So basically, all you need to do to be qualified for the giveaway is like the video, make sure you are subscribed or that you subscribe to my channel. I would like to reward somebody who's supporting me. And then you need to comment. And in the comment, use the word mystery in a clever way. Don't just put, I like the mystery box. That's too obvious. But use the word mystery in some kind of clever, interesting comment. And I will do a comment picker that will randomly pick somebody's comment. I will give the giveaway until the end of the month, so it will be good through November 30th. So you have till then. But again, requirements are that you like this video, that you subscribe to my channel, and that you comment with the word mystery in a clever way. All right? And I look forward to reading your comments below and seeing who ends up winning this giveaway. I do have other products that I've got from other bags that I will be including in the giveaway. So if you weren't necessarily thrilled with any of these products, it's not necessarily going to be just the products you saw in this video. I've got a whole box of products that I won't use because I don't wear a lot of makeup. So it'll be a good box, I promise. At least in my opinion, it'll be. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope everybody is staying happy, staying healthy, and I will see you in my next video. I will be up filming another one for Look Fantastic as well, so keep an eye out for that. And I'll see everybody next time. Bye.